Hello, Quincy and dun, 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 Hannah. All right, so looking at your work, that is Julia's work. All right, you guys must have attached JPEGs. Yep. Okay, I thought this was wonderful. Um, Great drawing. Shows up a little funny on my screen like this. See if I can look at more of it. Nope. Okay. Yay, yay. Fantastic drawing. Great use of texture, collage, um, and the concept is really clear. I especially like that you made the character naked. So the only thing I can suggest is trying out more of a pop of color instead of gray. When I went to art school, they always told us to never use gray in art. That said, I think I also like the gray at the same time because it sure shows like depression and a big heavy burden on her brain. But anyway, it's just think about experimenting with color if you haven't already. Nicely done. Especially love the red, the chaos and the searching. All right, Quincy. Great drawing. I'm not seeing the collage element, and the inked aspect of it doesn't seem to be too prominent. So, at this point, consider taking it into Photoshop. Make a clear differentiation between the hand and the pills. Maybe darken up the claw a bit more. And then just, if you're going to work in Photoshop, you can get a texture and set it to luminosity as a option in the layers palette. And then you can reduce the opacity down to 10, and then there's your texture. I think it can really pop off the page like that. If you want a demo, let me know. I'd be happy to do it. All right, so that's really all I have to say. I'd be interested to hear what you two think of each other's work. Bye-bye.